In this video, I'm going to show you how to extract files using the 7-zip application. Suppose you need to extract this file using the 7-zip application. Now, if you have already installed the app, then you are set. But if you don't have the app installed, open your Google Chrome web browser. In the search bar, search for 7-zip. From here, click on Download. If you can't find the download page, don't worry, I will add the link in the descriptions. On the download page, you can see a lot of versions of the app. From here, select the version that matches your computer. In my case, I will select the first one because it matches my system. After downloading the exe file, open it in the file. Now double-click on your file. In the pop-up, click on Install. After the installation is done, click on Close. Now go to your zip file. Right-click on your zip file. In the pop-up, click on Show More Options. In this menu, click on 7-zip. In the new pop-up, click on Open Archive. You can see the files that are inside my zip file are showing here. In the top menu, click on Extract. In the pop-up menu, you can select where you want to extract your file, but I will leave them as it is. Now click on OK. Let's close the application. Here, you can see that we have successfully extracted a zip file using the 7-zip application. Following these steps, you can extract any file you want.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.